Here I got a little project for you guys. It's a base for a weather station. You can use it to whatever platform you'd like, but it's going to gather all the intel, all the information from openweather.org. You need an a login. You can sign up for free, of course, and when you've got that, you can go into your username, and you got the IPE keys. There you're gonna have to copy the key you're gonna use. And that's all for that on that page. Now you can close that. When you're asking for any intel from what weather you got in your hometown or whatever you're looking for, you need this as a return. So you're gonna pretty much simulate a web browser. So this is a long JSON string, and you got longitude, latitude, if it's snowing, its temperature and what town it is, and stuff like that. So this is gonna have to be broken up, and I've done that in this project. So you got a socket on a WeMOS, and it's gonna return some values, and that it's gonna be broken up in the JSON segment over here. You see it's a lot of values, but you don't have to use all of them, but you have to have this component intact, because every name in this JSON must match what it's getting returned. So you have to have lowercase and uppercase just as it is, and all the naming must be the same. And I'm going to show how it looks. I have to paste my API in here. I'm going to paste that one. And if I want to look in Sweden or in US or England or any place you like, you got to have to the land code, the country code. US for now. The name of the city, I'm gonna look in Las Vegas. Let's say if I searched for Boston, I just write it like that. It's all in one word. But if I'm gonna search in, let's say, Las Vegas or New York, you need a space. But the space isn't actually possible in a web browser. So if I'm gonna do it over here, I'm gonna type, let's say, San Diego. San Diego. You're gonna see the space is gonna be swapped out to a %20. That's equal to the space there. So you have to do the same over here as well. So if I'm gonna search for Las Vegas, I'm gonna have to type %20 and then Vegas, like so. And if the temperature and stuff like that is going to be returned as imperial or metric, you're going to type metric or imperial right here. And the only thing more than that you have to do is to set up your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to do that. Alright, I set up the SSID and the password. So now I'm ready to upload the code. Alright, it's uploaded. So after that I'm going to connect to the serial terminal. This is just to show the values. It doesn't do anything useful, but you can use this platform to Node-RED or to an LCD screen or whatever you have. After you're connected, it's going to take a little while, because first you have to connect to the Wi-Fi, and the sequence need to take their steps. So this sequence is gonna run over and over, and every 15 seconds you're gonna grab a value. So the first time it's gonna take between 15 and 30 seconds. So now we got a return value. We got the location, Las Vegas, sunrise time. This is epoch time. It's not readable time, it's epoch time. Country, degrees of the wind, speed of the wind, and stuff like that. So that's all. If you would only like to know the temperature, you can go in here to the JSON and look under weather. We got temperature. Just pick this value and put it to an LCD screen or just a serial terminal or anything. I'm just gonna upload this so you'll see how that looked like. Alright, it's uploaded and connecting. So now it's gone a few seconds and the result just came in. This is in Fahrenheit because it says imperial over here. So this is the temperature in Las Vegas right now. So that's all. You can use it. You got all the files, the one and only file on the Patreon, and you can use it to whatever you like.